In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable. Let's get started right inside your Airtable workspace. First, open the base where you want this new table to live. If you're not already logged in, sign into your Airtable account. Then from your workspace, click into the specific base you're working on. This might be a project tracker, a content calendar, a CRM, or any other base you've already set up. It's important to choose the right base up front because your new table will sit alongside the existing tables in that same base. Once your base is open, look towards the top of the screen where your current table tabs are displayed. You'll see a row of tabs, one for each table, and on the far right of those tabs, there's a button labeled Plus Add or Import. Go ahead and click that. This is your main entry point for creating new tables or bringing in data from other sources. When you click Add or Import, Airtable will give you a few different options for how you want to create this new table. Let's walk through what each one means so you can choose the best option for your use case. If you select Start from Scratch, Airtable will create a completely new, empty table for you using a simple default layout. You'll usually see basic fields like Name, Notes, and Status. This is a great choice if you want full control and prefer to design the structure of your table yourself, field by field. If you choose Add from other sources, Airtable will let you connect this table to data that already exists somewhere else, such as a view from another Airtable base. This keeps the data synced, so when the original source updates, this table reflects those changes automatically. It's ideal when you're reusing or consolidating data instead of rebuilding it from scratch. You may also see an option simply called New Table. This is the standard way of adding a fresh table to your base, and it typically works like a straightforward, empty starting point that you can then customize. After you've picked the method that fits your needs, Airtable will prompt you to name your new table. Type in a clear, descriptive name that tells you and your teammates exactly what this table is for, then click Save. That's it. Your new table is now added to the base, ready for you to configure fields, add records, and start organizing your information.